My name is Salim Ayoub. I'm a professor of French and Francophone studies at Webster University. I work at the Global Languages, Cultures and Societies department, and I'm also the director of the Francophone Center. So the Centre Francophone, the Francophone Center, is all about offering opportunities to students, all types of enriching, life-changing opportunities. We do cultural events organized worldwide, actually, not just here in St. Louis. So for instance, we invite authors, filmmakers, scholars from other universities to talk to our students, to offer them internships, to give them the opportunity to do some networking, know other students, scholars, or any type of profession that is relevant to them in other places. So French, I believe, is a language that gives you the edge. It is a language of not only cultural literacy and all that, it's a language of business, it's a language of institutions, a language of politics. If you speak French and you're also a major in biology or, I don't know, political science, you have the edge over someone who doesn't speak French automatically. So what we do here is encourage a maximum number of students to be interested in that. And not only having that edge professionally, but also culturally to be able to navigate a world that is more and more global, where the boundaries start to feel less and less closed. I would say having French as a language, in addition to whatever else students want to do, is better than not having French, and offers you, I would say, many other opportunities. So to start with us, you as a student will have to talk to your advisor. But if you need more information, if you need an incentive, if you need to know the details of it, not just, that very vague general idea that all French is a word language and you need to be speaking and all that, no. You can talk to me. Personally, come to me. There are my other colleagues like Professor Emily Thompson, who also has been here for years and knows the program very well. That's for French. But if you want to really seize those opportunities and have this kind of global experience, engage in study abroad programs, in internships, get a taste of what is the professional market at probably a premature time, that's what the Francophone Center is for.